If you've been asking yourself, for example, how do they write 5 to the power of 2 like this, or even degrees in Excel look like this, or abbreviations like water, carbon dioxide, and so many others, or even you've seen people write references in Excel like this. So how do they do it? We use the superscript and the subscript in Excel like this. So for numbers, if you want to write 5 to the power of 2, you come here and put 5, and then you also add a 2. Then when you are still in the edit mode, you only select your 2, right click, choose format cells, and when this dialog box opens over here, you select this option for superscript, and immediately after you do that, the 2 will be sent on top of 5, and it will look like this, 5 to the power of 2. For degrees, you relatively do the same. For example, if you want 10 degrees, you'll come over here and type 100. And while you're still in the edit mode, you select one of the zeros, right click, format cells, and when your dialog box opens, you choose this option, superscript, click OK, and there you go. One of the zeros will be sent on top of 10, and now it will become 10 degrees.